Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to remove link previews in Discord, and it will be an quick tutorial but with a step-by-step breakdown. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see if we submit any link over in our message chat, we get the preview here. As you can see it, I provide this link and I got this one. So if I want to remove this preview, how I can do it, there is a couple of ways we have. So we are going to try one of them. So here when I will send the link, then I will just click this one and remove all embedded. This will remove all embedded on this message for everyone. So just click over here, remove all, and here you can see it already been removed. And there is another way we have, that is you just need to be click on shift and then click this one and then paste your link again, and then similarly paste this one. As you can see, the link right now enter into this between these options, so you just need to be sent it here. This is the way. There is another way we have, you just need to be go to the setting. Once you come over here, then you just need to be go to the setting options like this one. You just need to be go to the chat option. Once you come over here, then here you will find out the embedded and link preview. So let's find it out, and here you can see, so embedded and preview website link passed into the chat. So you just need to be disable this one, and once you disable it, now if you come over that place and if you paste the link, and here actually you can see that there is a no preview we are getting here. So this is the way. I hope you love this video. I hope if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.